What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another TnS Weekly review. This week we'll be going over all the cool trades and bangers starting from Monday, November 17th to Friday, November 21st. Except this time we're going to keep it short and brief. We're only going to pick one trade from the 5-minute TnS and one trade from the 1-minute TnS. So let's just jump right into it. All right, so our first play comes from the 5-minute TnS. This one is from Thursday, November 20th at 9:40 a.m. And you can see it does get tagged in here right at 9:40. And immediately gets TP for 77 points. And if you held for the buy side target, you could have got 114 points, but it peaked at 145 before coming back down near the entry. So that's kind of why I kept it the peak here, but it did, of course, sweep that high out and then just dump all the way back down. But still a pretty nice play for the 5-minute TnS. And yeah, let's go ahead and add that to our list. Okay, moving on to our final play. This one comes from the 1-minute TnS. This from also the same day, Thursday the 20th at 12:07 p.m. This trade ran for 100 points to just the regular 1-minute TnS TP, and it peaked at 115 points. And the original TP was right here for 100 points. And just that quick, it got 100 points out of it. So pretty nice trade there for the 1-minute TnS. And the cool thing about this was it actually tagged in two setups, and they both got TP at the same exact time. So you can see there's two separate setups here, and one for 100 points, the other one for 82, and they both got TP. So it's pretty cool to see. But let's go ahead and add that to our list. So it's been a pretty interesting week for the 1-minute TnS this week. It walked away with 163 points, 6.6 R, and that's with 38 wins and 60 losses total. Now you can see that there's a lot more losses than there are wins, but it's really because a lot of the wins this week were for positive R, and they had some pretty decent sized wins this week, even though on paper it looks like there's a lot more losses than wins. And if you combine all the stats right now, 1-minute TnS has caught 1,086 points. That's 43.7 R, and that's maintaining a 51.5% win rate, which is, of course, a lot lower than what it's had in the past few weeks. But it's still at least slightly above 50%. But yeah, guys, it's going to wrap it up for this weekly review. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.